Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Connectify email. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the search box, just type in Connectify email login and press enter. Now, from the search results, you can click on the appropriate sign-in button for your user account. Just go ahead and click on your appropriate login page, and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, just go ahead and type in your email address, followed by your password. Then you can click on the sign-in button, and you will be logged into your account with Connectify. In case you forgot your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password button underneath the password box to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Connectify. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.